Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. So yeah, this is starting to play out really nicely. I mean, we've had here two key resistance areas. They would have provided a really good short here. Yeah, when we hit our resistance area for the first time, the large one, and then here where I posted a signal on Discord and Telegram, and also here highlighted it in the video that we were rejected from our wave 4 resistance and would now start the wave 5 with a high likelihood. And I think that was a very clean and nice short trade for whoever took it. I know that a few of the community members took it because I saw some messages about that. Here you now need to be aware that we've hit key support, and at some point here this wave 5 could be finished. Now we have reached, if I'm adding here the fib level 38.2, we have reached this now and actually gone a little bit below that. So my expectation would actually be that we go down a little lower still to get this 50% retracement. It's just the most likely retracement for a wave 2. So I'd like to see lower. But yeah, I mean, it was the right decision to stay here with this scenario. It was a fairly clear chart. It still is one of the clearest, which is why I gave a trend reversal area here for the wave 4. Some are a bit messy, but here I don't want to say sure, but it was fairly clear that we were heading down in a C wave. Yeah, and what we now need to do, we need to break below this A wave low here of the 13th of Feb to really unlock the last price drop to 1621. So we've got a bit of a gatekeeper here at around $17. But what I would like to see is it go lower. If we draw the Fibonacci targets for the C wave, so we've got the A, B, and C. Then you can see that actually the first target that you would sort of expect here, which is the 1-to-1 ratio, I mean that's nearly reached actually at 1680. We need to be watching this level, yeah? But more ideal would be, in my opinion, the 1621 level, the 50% retracement. So at the moment, I don't think this move is over, but it could be. We've got enough waves down. And I think if we now break, first of all, above the recent high, which was at 1788, that is the first indication we are up in the third wave. Even better would be a break above $19.10, because then we can rule out that it's still a fourth wave, which is coming up here, because it could certainly be that we do something a little bit exotic here, that this was just the A wave of the fourth wave. We came down in a B wave and we're now rallying in a C wave, okay, and then come down. Possible. By the way, we could just double check in terms of the, how much did we overshoot. Might be a bit too long, let's see, because it shouldn't overshoot more than 1.38. See, this is interesting. That reached exactly the 1.38 retracement. I mean, this move down looks impulsive. It is still possible though, and that's what's so interesting. That is what would allow for upside from here. That's why I'm highlighting to you we need to hold the $19.09 level, because this could still be something like this, yeah, that the wave 4 is moving up here and the wave 5 is coming down afterwards. Because the B wave, if I'm counting it like that, certainly possible. Not the primary, but it's a possibility we need to keep in mind. A, B, C. This B wave can basically overshoot, or in this case undershoot, don't even know if that's a word, by 1.38 the length of wave A. So that's highly interesting because it hit exactly that level, exactly. So yeah, it's a possibility we need to keep on the radar, okay? So I leave the wave 4 here for now, but be aware that there could be an alternative ABC structure before we come down. But yeah, so in summary, as long as we stay below the last swing high, focus is down, and I would expect to go below $17 to hit 1621 at the minimum. Alternative is that we go up from here and it's just an extension of the fourth wave before we come down, and only if we break above 1909, then I would say we're already in this third wave and the wave 2 was already complete here. Okay, that's my update about AVAX. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.